Today I have a tutorial to show how to highlight text in Adobe Illustrator. But first, before I begin, I just want to give a shout out to somebody who left a comment on one of my videos saying that my cover, the descriptions on my covers could be a little bit larger, that they was a little bit hard to read on the smaller sizes. And so I want to thank you for that comment, and this is my kind of response slash redesign, partial redesign of the cover art that I'm working on. So I was starting to mess around with this, but I'm gonna start over and show you how I create highlighted text. So I'm just gonna create a new text, and you can center this, left justify, whatever, but it's completely editable even after it's had that highlight shape around it. And I don't really have a call for text effects too much in Illustrator, except for, this is a perfect example, this cover art. But the appearance panel is good for that, for text effects, drop shadows, etc. And I'll show you how to do that using this appearance panel. So what I do here is I just add a fill to this. With this text selected, I add a fill and then I add a second fill. And so this is the top fill. This will control the color of the highlighted text, and this bottom fill will control the color of the highlight portion. So then I want to do is add an effect to the bottom color, fill color, convert to shape rectangle. And that's my highlighted color. And then I get my shape options box that I can select. I can change the shape of it, rounded rectangle, ellipse, but I'm just going to stick with rectangle, and I can adjust the size of it too, but I'm going to leave that as is for now. I'm going to change it to yellow so you can see if I want to change it later. I can change the size of it, I can make it larger, I can change the color, I can change it to orange or something. I can change the color of my text. Or I could make that pink, make this yellow. And I'll show you another variation. I'll just make this shape. I'll change the color of this, and you can click on select the rectangle to make adjustments to the size. I'm just going to make it smaller again, and then just change my fill. So that's how you create highlighted text in Adobe Illustrator. Please like, share, throw me a comment. Thank you for watching.